Today we will study about the class Mammalia. This mamma means beast. The mammals are the most highly evolved animals in the animal kingdom. The female of this class possesses mammary gland, and this is the characteristic of class mammal for the production of milk, with which they nourish their young. The mammals include approximately 5,000 living species, and their classification is made on the basis of mode of caring for their young, first, second, nature of dentitions, third, food posture, fourth, nails, claws and hooves, and fifth, complexity in nervous system. So firstly we will see the classification of mammal. So class Mammalia is divided into two subclass, which is named as Prototheria and Theria. So firstly we will see about the Prototheria. Subclass was Prototheria. Here protos means first, therios means beast. It includes the primitive reptiles like oviporous. Oviporous means egg-laying mammals, and it includes the order Monotremata. Here monos means singles and tremata means opening, means single opening, means the local opening is present and found only in Australian region. Example monotremes is the duckbills, platypus, spiny ant eaters, Tachyglossus iguana. So here is the diagram of this two animal. Here you can see the Australian spiny anteaters, and in this diagram you can see the duck-bill platypus. So this is the diagram of this animal. Okay, now we will move toward the second subclass, Theria. Here group Ther means animal. It includes the modern typical viviparous animals, means viviparous means that gives birth to living young ones, means without eggs. It is divided into two living infra classes. Which are these? First is the infra class Metatheria. Here meta means between or after. It includes the viviparous mammals without or with a rudimentary yolk, sacs and placenta. It is found only in Australian region. Example is kangaroo, marsupial, scola. You all know that. Second class is the infra class Eutheria. Eu means true and therios means beast. It includes higher viviparous placental mammal without marsupial. It is found all over the world. Example is mole, shrew, bat, giant anteater, scaly anteater, pangolin, mantis, rat, rabbit, dog, cat, tiger, cheetah, lion, panda, whale, sea, elephant, horse, zebra, rhino, pig, camel, sheep, goat, giraffe, ox, buffalo and bison. These are all included in the Eutheria. Now we will see some silent feature of Prototheria, order Monotremata. The subclass Prototheria include primitive eggs-laying mammal, जो कि eggs lay करते थे, belonging to single order Monotremata. They stand at the base of mammalian stock, and distribution is the primitive mammals are found only in Australian region. They mostly found at the Australian regions. Now we will see the habit and habitat of this Prototheria. Okay, so their mode of habit is aquatic or terrestrial, burrowing mainly insectivorous and nocturnal, air breathing, incompletely warm-blooded, quadrupedal, oviparous or egg-laying mammals. External feature of these mammals is body small and covered by hair and spines, snout produced into a beak, external ear are absent, tail present or absent, mammary gland are without teats or nipple. Male carries a hollow horny tarsus spur on each hind leg. A temporary mammary pouch developed during the breeding season. Now we will see the exoskeleton. It includes epidermal, horny ear, spiny beak and claws. Body cavity, it is divided by diaphragm into anterior thoracic and posterior abdominal cavity. Now the digestive system, teeth develop only in embryo and get replaced by horny beak in adult. Rectum open into cloaca. Circulatory system consists of 4-chamber heart. Left auriculoventricular wall is incomplete and fleshy. Right wall is tricuspid, not bicuspid, and as in other mammal. Body temperature is variable, range from 25 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Excretory system, kidney metanephric, ureter open into a urinogenital chamber which terminates into common cloaca. Nervous system, brain is relatively small, simple, without corpus callosum. Optic lobes are 4, cochlea slightly bent and with a lagina. Reproductive system, in male, the abdominal penis is retractable, passing out the sperm but not urine. In female, right ovary is reduced and oviduct leads separately into cloaca. Uterus and vagina are absent. Development. The female oviparous eggs large with more yolk and elastic shells. Cleavage मेरोप्लास्टिक्स, ये हमने पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा है. व्हाट इज मीन बाय मेरोप्लास्टिक. नो यूटेराइन गेस्टेशन. Newly hatched young one is very immature, fed on milk in abdominal pouch till become fully developed. The classification order Monotremata include only 2 family. First family is the Tachyglossidae, terrestrial, limbs strongly claw for burrowing, body covered above with short barbed spine and coarse hair, tail vestigial pinna distinct, teeth never present, spiny and eater. This is the example of this animal. Next is the family Ornithorhynchini, semi-aquatic burrowing limb, claw as well as web for swimming, body covered by soft fur, tail is well developed and paddle like, pinna vestigial, rudimentary teeth in embryo. Example is duck bill platypus. You can see in this diagram. So now we'll see the some silent feature of Metatheria order marsupial, means kangaroo. The infra class Metatherian include pouch mammal without true placenta. The young one are brown in immature condition and mature in pouch, and that is the marsupial. This condition is called as marsupial when the young ones are brown इन इमेच्योर कंडीशन एंड मैच्योर इन पाउच, यानी वो पाउच में यंग वन इमेच्योर रहता है और वो पाउच में फिर क्या होता है, मैच्योर होता है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, दे आर फाउंड ओनली इन ऑस्ट्रेलियन रीजन. हैबिट्स एंड हैबिटेट, टेरेस्ट्रियल, बोरोइंग और अर्बोरियल, रेली एक्वेटिक, हर्बिवोरस, कार्निवोरस और ओमनिवोरस, नॉक्टर्नल और डायोनल, एयर ब्रीदर, वार्म ब्लडेड, विविपोरस एंड पाउच मैमल. External feature, body is covered with soft hair, external ear pinnae are well developed, tail is long, mammary glands are modified sebaceous gland and have teats. Female is with ventral abdominal pouch called as marsupial. वो पाउच में क्या होता है, यंग वन का डेवलपमेंट होता है. ओके. एक्सोस्केलेटन, इट इंक्लूड इपिडर्मल हॉर्नी हेयर्स एंड क्लॉज, स्किन इज ग्लैंडुलर, बॉडी कैविटी, typical muscular diaphragm is present. Digestive system, teeth are present, they are heterodont and thecodont. Anus and urinogenital apparature open into cloaca. Circulatory system, it is same as that of Prototheria. Now we will see the reproductive system. In male, penis is well developed, scrotal sac contain testes. In female, 2 oviduct open separately into urinogenital sinus so that there are 2 uteri and 2 vaginas. Development, female are viviparous, gestation period 5 weeks in kangaroo. The young ones are born very small, neck and blind. They are kept in marsupial and nourish milk until fully formed. Classification order marsupial include 8 to 10 families. Family Didelphidae, common opossum. Family Dasydidae, carnivorous or insectivorous. Example banded. Family Notrictidae, Notractus. Pyramelidae, family example is bandicots. Family Cynolestidae, example shrew like. Family Phalangeridae, example phalangers and cola. Family Phascolomidae, example wombat. And family Macropodidae, herbivores, example is kangaroo. So this is all about the